meal prepped honestly like in months. Like, hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I figured I would show you guys and take you guys along with me with what I eat in a full day. I just started meal prepping again, and I haven't meal prepped honestly like in months. Like, I think the last time I meal prepped was, I'm trying to think, like I meal prepped like a little bit of rice like a couple weeks ago, but I honestly haven't meal prepped like meals with chicken and veggies, but like since back when I was working at my corporate job. So I'm meal prepping this week. I'll show you guys what I put in my meal preps. I actually already made a video on my self-care routine, so if you go back to that video on it's actually not a self-care routine, it's like my Sunday reset day, then I show you guys in that video how I meal prepped. But I'm going to show you guys what I eat in a day. And right now I'm actually making a protein shake. So I actually just got back from the gym, and I'll show you guys what I drink in my protein shake. So for my protein shakes, I love using vegan protein and then also adding a little bit of PB2 because it does have less fat than normal peanut butter, and it is so yummy when you blend it up with the banana. Show you guys my second meal of the day. For a snack, I just ate a peanut butter crunch bar by Cliff. I'll show you guys what it looks like, but this was a snack that I had on the road, and then right now I'm gonna go ahead and eat one of the meals that I meal prep for the week. So I'll show you guys what that looks like. So I love reheating my meal preps on the stove. I don't use a microwave. Anybody that knows me knows that I don't use a microwave. I use a skillet for everything, so that way my food can be fresh and it can be yummy when I eat it. Guys, I'm a little bit disappointed and shocked because I should have listened to my boyfriend. Why are men always right? Why are men always right? You guys, when I say that networking event sucked ass, that networking event, sorry, not trying to offend anybody, but was probably one of the worst networking events I went to. You guys, tell me why I'm editing this video and I realized that I forgot to finish the video off for you guys. I do that so much, you guys. I promise I'm gonna get better at this YouTube shit. But for dinner that day, I pretty much just had like a yogurt parfait. With the gym, I know everybody's goals are kind of different, but for me right now in this season, I'm really learning to watch my calorie intake because your girl is trying to lose some fat, but at the same time build muscle. And especially when you're doing that, you have to be very careful with your diet about how many carbs you consume, how much protein you consume, because I am trying to lose fat. So I do have to make sure my calorie intake is a little bit lower, but at the same time make sure that I'm getting my protein in. So I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like learning more about my fitness journey, I am currently on a like super disciplined fitness journey to lose, I want to lose about 10 more pounds and lose a couple more inches around my waist. So far I've almost lost 2 inches and I want to lose about 5 more. But if you guys are super interested on this journey, I don't know if this interests you guys, but if you guys just want to learn more about my fitness journey and go on it with me, then come along with your girl. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, you guys.